students, we are studying management of natural resources, and we have talked about that the various human activities are depleting our natural resources. But when we talk about the local people and when we talk about the involvement of the local people in the management of the natural resources, then this is the example for the management of a forest. In 1972, in the West Bengal Forest Department, in actual what was there that the forest it was covered with the sal trees, and it is in the southern west district of state. Now the traditional methods which were used by the people to regrow that forest or that sal tree, it was not successful. And because there were many of the clashes also, because the forest officials and the villagers they were having clashes, and because of that to grow the trees again it was not possible. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द दिस मेजर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट उनके बीच में जो आपस में मतभेद था, उसके कारण जो है वहाँ पर लोकल पीपल और जो गवर्नमेंट है वो उस फॉरेस्ट एरिया को दोबारा से रिकवर नहीं कर पा रही थी. Then the department changed its strategy, and what they started the involvement of the local people for the regrowing of the trees. A forest officer named A.K. Banerjee, he took the initiative. He was a far-seeing officer, far-seeing दूरदर्शी, जिसने क्या सोचा कि अगर लोकल पीपल को इन्वॉल्व करके और कुछ शेयर अगर उनको दिया जाए तो ये जो फॉरेस्ट है इट कैन बी रीग्रोन अगेन. So the A.K. Banerjee, he took the initiative and he started growing the trees in the Midnapur district in the Arabarri forest range in the West Bengal. And because of the involvement of the villagers living in that particular area, the land near about 1272 hectares of land which was badly degraded because the sal forest they were cleared. और क्यों काटा गया था ट्रीज़ को? टू गेट द बेनिफिट्स टू फॉर द पर्पज़ ऑफ और फॉर द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ रॉ मटेरियल्स फॉर द इंडस्ट्रीज़. So what this A.K. Banerjee did, he took the initiative, he involved the villagers, and he was able to regrow the sal trees in near about 1272 hectares of land. And because of that, what he said what A.K. Banerjee did, he involved the villagers, and in return of the involvement of these villagers, what was promised that these people they will be given the 25% of the final harvest, means whatever the products will be obtained from the regrowing of that sal tree, उसका 25% जो है ये प्रॉमिस किया गया कि इन विलेजर्स को दिया जाएगा. एंड दे विल ऑल्सो बी अलाउड टू टेक द फ्यूल वुड एंड द फॉडर फॉर द एनिमल्स. And with this the people living in that particular area they became very ready and they started participating. And because of that in up to 1983 जो कि प्रीवियस लैंड जो थी जो पहले डिग्रेड हो चुकी थी उसकी जो वैल्यू है, बिकॉज अगेन रीग्रोइंग ऑफ ट्रीज जो है वो पॉसिबल हो पाई, एंड द फॉरेस्ट वॉज वैल्यूड फॉर ₹12.5 crores. So we can say the involvement of the people sometimes helps a lot in recreating that particular natural resource, but the attitude should be positive towards the environment. Now the next natural resource is water for all. Before that, these are the two questions which we will be doing when we will be solving the exercise. Till then you can try these two questions. The next natural resource is water. As you know, our earth, it is a unique planet. Why it is called a unique planet? Because it has water in liquid form, and this water is very necessary for the survival of living organism because it is necessary for the metabolism of the body. What is metabolism? Whatever the reactions are taking place in the body, that is because of this liquid water. So water is a very essential natural resource, and if we talk about its presence in nature, then we can say that 75% of the earth it is covered with water. But when we talk about the potable water, what is potable water? Which is fit for drinking purposes, then we can say the amount is very less. In actual, most of the water which is present on the earth's surface, it is in saline form, means it is salty water because it is present in the seas and oceans, and this water cannot be used by all the living organisms. Only the marine animals, means which are living in salty water or which have adapted themselves to live in the salty water, can survive. Rest of the animals cannot survive in salty water, and because of that we can say the very less amount of water is present on the earth's surface which is potable. And this water is necessary for all terrestrial forms of life. Terrestrial forms means the living organisms which are living on the land. So it is the basic necessity. And before that, this is activity. Villages suffering from chronic water shortage surround a water theme park in Maharashtra. Debate whether this is the optimum use of available water. See, just I have talked that water is present in large amount, but it is salty or saline that cannot be used. So potable water, which is fit for drinking and human consumption, is very less, and because of that, many of the areas in India also are facing this scarcity of water. And because of that, many of the villages in the remote areas, they are suffering from this chronic water shortage. So we have to debate on this, that whether it is right the optimum use of available water, कि क्या किया गया है कि एक वाटर थीम पार्क इन महाराष्ट्र, और वहाँ पर जो है बिकॉज इन दैट एरिया देर इज़ क्रॉनिक शॉर्टेज ऑफ वाटर, एंड विलेज ने क्या किया है, उसे सराउंड कर लिया है. सो वेदर इट इज़ द राइट यूज़ और नॉट, you just think about this, then we will be solving this activity in our next unit, this class. Before that, let us understand the importance of water. As we have just talked, it is necessary for the metabolic activities of living organisms, and we know that it is the important natural resource. Now, this resource is recycled in nature, which is known as water cycle. So, and this water, because of this water cycle, this water is getting refreshed and it is reaching to the earth's surface. But human beings, they are polluting this natural water body or the natural resource of water by its with it harmful activities, like they are throwing the waste in the of the industries into the water bodies, and the throwing of chemicals and all. And because of these human interventions, or because of the bad intention activities of the human beings, this availability of water has become more less as it was earlier. क्योंकि पहले तो फिर भी जो है प्रेजेंट था, लेकिन ह्यूमन बीइंग ने इसे अब और क्या कर दिया है, पोल्यूट कर दिया है. And if we talk about the rainfall patterns of India, our country, it doesn't have equal rainfall in all its parts. Some of the parts which are near the, we can say, mountainous areas, or which are near the ocean areas, they have high rainfall. But if we talk about Rajasthan, or if we talk about the other areas, then the rainfall is very less. So some of the parts have lot of water and some of the parts are facing scarcity of water. So you will be surprised, and if you will see the water rainfall, that there are some of the regions where rainfall is very less, and because rainfall is the ultimate source of water, so इसलिए वहाँ because of the less rainfall, people are facing this shortage of water. And if we talk about the rainfall patterns and if we see the truth behind it, तो हम क्या देखेंगे कि कुछ रीजन्स ऐसे हैं जहाँ पर वाटर की जो अवेलेबिलिटी है वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है, रेन के ऊपर. और रेन जो है इट इज़ ब्रॉट बाय द मॉनसून्स. मॉनसून्स क्या है, दीज आर द स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ विंड्स विच ब्रिंग्स रेन. अब जहाँ मानसून जा रही है, ट्रैवल कर रही है, मानसून ट्रैवल मोर करती है, मोर रेनफॉल होती है. सो जो अगर हम बात करें टोटल ऑन एंड एवरेज इंडिया के अंदर रेनफॉल की, सो द मोस्ट ऑफ द रेन फॉल्स इन फ्यू मंथ्स ऑफ द ईयर. रेनी सीजन जब आता है तभी इंडिया के अंदर जो है प्लेसेस पर बारिश होती है. बट इफ़ वी टॉक अबाउट द नेचर्स मानसून बाउंटी, failure to sustain water availability underground has resulted largely from the loss of vegetation. Now what happens when the rainfall comes? This water, it seeps into the soil and it enters and it becomes the part of the water table also, and it is integrated with the soil particles also. जो बारिश का पानी आया, रेनफॉल हुई, अर्थ सरफेस पर फॉल हुआ, अब सॉइल पार्टिकल्स के पास से ट्रैवल करता हुआ एक्सेस ऑफ वाटर जो है वो बिलो द ग्राउंड वाटर टेबल का पार्ट बन जाता है, और बाकी कुछ वाटर पार्टिकल्स जो हैं वो सॉइल के पार्टिकल्स को सराउंड कर लेते हैं और मॉइस्चर को मेंटेन करके रखते हैं, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मोर एंड मोर वेजिटेशन और द प्लांट्स ग्रोस. But because as many of the industries have been settled, roads have been constructed, and there is less amount of this vegetation cover, and the crops which are we are growing, they are in the high demand of water, pollution from the industries and the urban waste, all these have created imbalance in the water cycle. In actual, water from the water bodies is being evaporated, लेकिन क्या हो रहा है, वाटर बॉडीज़ पोल्यूट हो रही हैं, जो एरियाज़ हैं वेजिटेशन नहीं है, प्लांट्स नहीं है, ट्रीज़ नहीं है, तो जो वाटर है वो फ्लो ऑफ हो जाता है, और फ्लो ऑफ हो करके वो दोबारा से सीज़ और ओशंस का पार्ट बन जाता है वाटर टेबल बनने की बजाय, and that water is salty which cannot be used, and because of this जो है there is shortage of water on the earth surface. Other causes for the shortage of water is irrigation methods. Irrigation means watering the crops like dams, tanks and canals. ये क्या करते हैं, they have been constructed these dams, tanks and canals किस लिए, to irrigate the crops. Now, if we talk about the local interventions managed by local people, तो हम क्या देखेंगे कि जो बेसिक मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट है फॉर एग्रीकल्चर एंड फॉर आवर डेली नीड्स, दे आर मेट थ्रू आउट द ईयर बिकॉज ऑफ दीज टैंक्स, कैनाल्स और पोन्स एट्सेट्रा. बिकॉज इंडिया क्या है, रेन डिपेंडेंट कंट्री है. व्हेन द रेन विल कम वाटर विल बी अवेलेबल. लेकिन बाकी जो रेस्ट ऑफ द ईयर्स में क्या है, how the human being they are using this water, so they are taking water from the ponds or from the canals, and or we can say from the dams. So use of this stored water, it was strictly regulated, and optimum cropping patterns. Earlier what was being done कि जो crops हैं वो किस तरह की ग्रो की जाती थी कि जो लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर को यूटिलाइज करें, सो दैट दिस वाटर कैन बी अवेलेबल in for the decades also, or for the centuries, and the irrigation system was very proper. But after the arrival of British, the irrigation system changed, more and more technologies came, conception of large scale projects like dams and canals, they were constructed, and because of that this water it was supplied to other parts of the country also where this water was not there. अब इससे क्या हुआ, जो प्रोजेक्ट्स बने, इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई मेगा प्रोजेक्ट्स ने, लेकिन इससे जो लोकल इरिगेशन मेथड्स थे वो क्या हो गए, निगलेक्ट हो गए. क्योंकि कैनाल्स में तो लॉट ऑफ वाटर है, अर्लियर लोग क्या करते थे, पोन्ड्स में से इरिगेशन कर रहे थे, तो जो क्विकर मेथड उनको मिल गया, मेगा प्रोजेक्ट डेवलप हुआ, और गवर्नमेंट ने जो है इससे क्या हुआ, जो लोकल वाटर रिसोर्सेज थे वो क्या होते गए, कंट्री से डिसअपियर होते गए. अर्लियर टाइम में व्हाट द पीपल यूज टू डू इन देयर विलेजेस की पोन्ड्स बनाए जाते थे, एंड जो वाटर है इट वाज कलेक्टेड, जिसे रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग कहते हैं हम. बट व्हेन दीज कैनाल्स वर कंस्ट्रक्टेड और डैम्स वर कंस्ट्रक्टेड, तो जो लोकल इरिगेशन मैथड्स थे वो क्या हो गए, डिसअपियर हो गए. Now this is an example, Kuls in Himachal Pradesh. Now these ponds, they are named in local languages in different places, and if we talk about the Himachal, in Himachal these are known as Kuls. So the parts of Himachal Pradesh, they have evolved a local system of canal irrigation. इसे हम कुल्स कहते हैं. ओवर 400 ईयर्स अगो, पुराने ज़माने से उनके यहाँ परंपरा चली आ रही है कि वो कैनाल इरिगेशन का उन्होंने एक ओल्ड मैथड शुरू से ही अडॉप्ट कर रखा है. The water flowing in the stream was diverted into man-made channels, which took this water to numerous villages down the hillside. When the rainfall occurs on the hilly areas, this water it comes down. और वहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या कर रखे थे, चैनल्स बना रखे थे जिनमें वाटर जो है वो कलेक्ट होता जाता था, जिसे कुल्स बोला गया. नाउ दिस कुल्स वो जो है एक कॉमन एग्रीमेंट था सब कॉमन विलेजर्स के अंदर, And interestingly, during the planting season, water was first used by the village farthest away from the source of the kul. Now देखिए जो villages थे, क्योंकि हिली एरिया के नीचे बहुत सारे विलेजेस होंगे, तो जहाँ पर वाटर जो बनाया गया, कुल बनाए गए, वहाँ जो दूर के गाँव वाले लोग थे उनको ज़्यादा पहले प्रेफरेंस दी जाती थी कि यू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम हेयर. क्यों? वाई? बिकॉज जो नियर एरिया वाले लोग थे वो क्या कर सकते थे, क्योंकि बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दोज कुल्स, जो वहाँ की आसपास की जो सॉइल थी वो वैसे ही मॉइस्ट रहेगी, तो वहाँ की जो सॉइल को ज़्यादा वाटर की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती एज़ कम्पेयर टू द पीपल हु वर फार अवे फ्रॉम दीज कुल्स. एंड नाउ बिकॉज क्योंकि जो वाटर है वो परकोलेट हो जाता है सॉइल के अंदर, एंड इन दिस वे द कुल लेटर ऑन जब इरिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट आए, देन दीज कुल्स दे बिकम defunct now, means they are not functioning now, and there is no amicable sharing of water as before. और क्योंकि अब जो है, क्योंकि कुल्स ही नहीं है, डिपार्टमेंट है इरिगेशन कैनाल डिपार्टमेंट, और इसलिए जो है अब नाउ देयर इज़ नो शेयरिंग ऑफ ऑल दीज रिसोर्सेज एज अर्लियर. Next is dams. What are dams? These are the large water storage bodies which are built on the banks of the rivers. These large dams, what they do, they store adequate amount of water, and this water is used for irrigation purposes as well as for generating electricity. Because when water is allowed to fall from a certain height, then turbines are there, and these turbines, what they do, they start rotating, and in this way they are able to produce the electricity. Now this canal system लीडिंग फ्रॉम दीज डैम्स कैन ट्रांसफ़र लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर ग्रेट डिस्टेंसेस, और वहाँ से जो है इन डैम्स को कैनाल्स के साथ कनेक्ट किया जाता है, और डैम्स जो हैं वो बैंक्स के रिवर पर होते हैं, और वहाँ से वाटर जो है कैनाल्स में जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल इंदिरा गांधी कैनाल, ये जो है राजस्थान के एक पर्टिकुलर एरिया में इसने बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रीनरी डेवलप कर दी, क्योंकि वाटर जो है दैट इज़ अवेलेबल थ्रू आउट द ईयर. But if we talk about the mismanagement of the water, then we can see that this water is used mainly by some group of people or in a particular area, और इसीलिए जो people नज़दीक हैं, those who are closer to these canals, they are growing intensive crops like sugar cane and rice. But जो people who are farther from these water bodies, they are not getting any water. And now this rice and sugar cane, they are using lot of water, and because of the lot of water consumption by these people, जो पानी है that is not available to the persons or the people who are living far away from these canals. Now जो benefit है, now it is arriving to the people who are living near to that area, और जो लोग दूर हैं, जो building of the dams, और वो those who are they are not able to get that water